Before you scroll away, listen to this carefully. What I am about to say may not sound important right now, but one day it will mean everything to you. Time is the most valuable thing you have in your life, yet it is the thing most people waste without even realizing it. While you still have time, you think it will always be there. You believe there will always be another chance, another tomorrow, another opportunity. But time does not wait for anyone. It moves quietly, constantly, and once it is gone, it never comes back. Time is the most valuable gift a person has, yet it is the one we waste the most. While we have time, we think it will always be there. We believe there will always be another chance, another tomorrow, another opportunity. But time does not wait for anyone. It moves quietly, constantly, and once it is gone, it never comes back. Time is like water in your hands. Once it slips away, you cannot gather it again. Many people realize this truth only when they are older, when their strength is less and their chances are fewer. Life does not warn us. It does not tell us to get ready. It does not tell us this moment may be our last chance. It simply moves forward. Days pass, months pass, years pass, and people often become busy with small and meaningless things. They forget the real purpose of life. Life is not just about breathing and surviving. It is about growing, improving, and using each day to move forward, not just killing time. Youth is the most precious stage of life. It is the time when we have energy, dreams, hope, and the power to change our future. But youth passes very quickly. Today you are young, tomorrow you are not. Many people think their energy and motivation will last forever, but that is not true. Patience, strength, and passion do not stay the same forever. One day the body becomes tired, the mind becomes slower, and opportunities become limited. Only those who worked hard in their youth feel peace later in life. Life is always passing. Nothing in this world stays forever. Not youth, not strength, not opportunities. What remains are the results of our choices. If you waste your time today, you will pay for it tomorrow with regret. Regret is a deep pain. It stays in the heart and cannot be healed with money or excuses. Having dreams is good, but dreams without action are only empty wishes. Having goals is important, but goals mean nothing without effort. This world gives nothing for free. If you want something, you must pay the price. That price is hard work, patience, pain, failure, and standing up again and again. Life becomes hard at times. Doors close. You try, but you do not succeed. You work hard, but you see no results. These moments are when strong people are separated from weak ones. Weak people give up. Strong people continue. Failure is not the end of the road. It is part of the journey. You will never find a truly successful person who did not fail many times. Falling is not shameful. Crying is not weakness. The real weakness is staying on the ground and refusing to stand up. If you fall 10 times, stand up 10 times. If you fail again and again, try again and again. A person becomes successful only after seeing failure many times and learning from it. Giving up is easy. Making excuses is easy. Saying it didn't work, it wasn't meant to be, or the situation was bad is easy. But excuses do not build a future. The future is built by those who keep going despite fear, despite tiredness, and despite difficulties. Do not waste your time. because tomorrow is not guaranteed. The opportunity you have today may not exist tomorrow. Tomorrow, you may not be the same person you are today. Start now. Not when motivation comes, not when conditions become perfect. Better conditions are created by action, not by waiting. Even if you do not see results immediately, believe this: no effort is ever wasted. Every drop of sweat, every tired night, every moment you force yourself to continue is saved for a day you do not expect. One day, you will look back at your life. On that day, you will either smile with pride and say, "It was worth it," or you will feel regret and say, "I wish I had not wasted my time." Life passes very fast, but how it passes is your choice.